I'm so sorry. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm so sorry. No, I know it gets kind of loud. I don't mean to. It's just something that's really tickling my nose right now. I think I'm gonna do it again. So sorry. I would make it quieter if I could, but I can't help it. Tickles so much. Oh. Oh no, I'm so sorry. No, I won't do it again. I promise. I won't sneeze again. No, I know I'm disturbing everybody. I don't want to bother. Don't want to bother anybody. No, I'll be quiet. Oh, but there's a tickle in my nose again. I'm gonna have to sneeze again. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh. I'll try to warn you before I have to again. I don't want to disturb you or startle anybody. Ugh. I just know they're really loud. I just can't help it when I get a tickle in my nose like this. I just have to blast it out. Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze again. I'm so sorry. I know. You're trying to work. I just can't seem to stop. I try to blow my nose to make the tickle go away, but I can't. It just keeps tickling me. Oh, watch out. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze again. It feels like a big one. Oh. Watch out. Oh man, I blew a hole in the tissue. I was trying to cover, but it doesn't seem to help. Oh. I hope I didn't spray you or anything. Okay, no, I think that's all. I think I'm done. I hope I'm done. So, how's the work going? Hope it's going well. I'm so sorry that I keep disturbing you. Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze again. I'm sorry. I can't help it. Oh. Oh. Man. I'm sorry. I'm gonna do it again. Oh, they're just getting bigger. I'm so sorry. I really should excuse myself until I'm done sneezing, but I always think I'm finished. And there's more in there. Okay. Oh, I just feel like there's a little bit more in there. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna... Oh. Gotta sneeze again. Oh. Oh. Ugh. It's getting so messy. Ugh. Oh, it really feels like I'm done, but at the same time, there's like way in the back of my nose. I can still feel it just a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna happen again. Oh, I'm so sorry. No, I think I might. Oh, I might have to sneeze again. Yeah, I have to sneeze. I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna. I think I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna go because I can't stop. No, I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna go. But I'm gonna sneeze one more time. I'm sorry. Oh, it really tickles. Achoo! Achoo! Bless me.